So here's the fastest way to learn integers and floats in Python. All right, so as we know, numbers are identified in Python in green, right? And integers are going to be whole numbers only. Whereas if I just put another one for me, for example, and I just put 1.8, a float is going to be a decimal value. All right, so now let's just say we want to actually ask someone to input their age. So rather than just inserting something within code itself, we're asking the question by input, hey, what is your actual age? So we press enter and I print age plus 5. And now, do we think this is actually going to run? Let's just try to run it real quick. The first one ran, that's no issues there. We already knew that. And now it's going to ask us to enter age. I'm just going to select 3. And now it said, hey, we can't run it, right? But why can't we run it? So the reason we can't run it is because it's trying to figure out what actual value we're calling. Are we calling integer or are we calling a float? How do we know that? Well, we don't right now. So instead what we want to do is in the front of it, we're going to identify it by integer. And once we put int over here, and then we close it on the back end because we have the double parentheses now, wrapping input inside of integer, we try to run it now, and we just say 3 again. Now it reads the actual input that we had for the question it was asking, and we added the age of this plus 5, and it returned 8. Now let's just say it's a float, right? So we add another code, we do the same thing, and we want to do a float instead. So that means we're looking for a actual decimal value now. So what is the age? So we can just put 24.2, right? And now we have 29.2 because we identified that it's a float value that we're looking for initially. All right, so this one we're going to call integer example, and we're going to bring it all together. We're going to say age 25. We're going to print the age and the age just like that. The next one is going to be a float example. We're going to say price equals 19.99. And we're going to print the price as well. And now we're going to actually write out our block of code that we want that's going to ingest this information because Python works from the top down, right? So we're going to say age equals input because we're looking for an integer now. We're going to say enter your age because that's what we want. And then we're going to say print age plus 5. Now we're going to say price equals float input. We're going to enter the price as well. And then we're going to say, price is times 1.2. Something simple, right? Nothing crazy. So now it's going to prompt us, be like, hey, actually ask us these questions, and then we'll return you the result that you're looking for. And then I'm actually going to add a text here, say price is, and then we'll do that, comma, and there we go. And I'll do it here too. Your age is a colon, a quotation, and do that. All right, so now we have everything set up. We're going to run it. It's going to ask us for our age. We're just going to say 5 here. And then we're going to ask for the price. It's going to be 2.99 as a float. So age is 25 initially, price is 19.99 initially, and then the adjusted age is 10, and the adjusted price is 3.588. So simply put, this is how floats and integers work. You have to declare them, identify what they are, and then you have to also make sure they're formatted properly too. Later on, we could actually integrate how to dynamically use both of these in one as well. With that said, thanks for watching.